Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to reset your Windows computer. Resetting means Windows gives you a fresh start without any extra programs or files, reclaiming drive space and improving the performance of your computer. A system restore will also get rid of malware in your computer as well as making it safe to be sold or given away. This is how you can do it. Go to the search box and type in Windows Defender Security Center. Go where it's written Device Performance and click on it. Click where it's written Additional Info. All you have to do is to click on Get Started to begin. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.